my name is Ashwin. This is lesson 2 of math lessons we will do in these videos. In this video, we will learn about positive and negative numbers. Let's learn about positive and negative numbers. But one thing you should know about positive and negative numbers is that 0 is not a positive or negative number. It is a neutral number. Also, the sign in the front of the number says if it's positive or negative. If it has a minus, it is a negative number. If it has a plus or nothing, it is a positive number. Let's see what positive numbers are. Positive numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and every number after that, like 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. They're always greater than 0. That is what positive numbers are. Now let's check out what positive or negative numbers are. Negative numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5, and every number after that, like -6, -7, -8, -9, and -10. They're always less than 0. Let's see some of our real life examples when we use positive and negative numbers. Now let's see getting a book from the library, returning a book to the library. Let's talk about getting library books. When I want to read, I normally ask my mom to drive me to the library. Once I'm at the library, I look for books that I want to read. I find 10 to 15 books and I take them home. So when I do that, I suddenly go from having 0 books to 15 books to read. So in this case, I am on the positive side and have 15 books. Now let's talk about from 1 pair of shoes to 5 pair of shoes. Let me give you another example. Let's talk about my shoes. Since we grow out of our shoes, our parents frequently have to buy our new size. Say, for example, right now I have a couple pairs of shoes and they are kind of tight. So I asked my mom to buy me 2 more pairs of shoes for my current size. My mom goes to the shoe store and buys them for me. When she does that, I end up with plus 2 pairs of shoes. So altogether, now I have 4 pairs of shoes, which is like saying plus 4 or positive 4 number because I have 4 pairs of shoes. So 2 of them are old and 2 of them are new. Now let's just talk about my old shoes. Since now I can no longer wear them because I grew the size, I have to give up those old shoes for recycling. That in a way becomes an example of -2, or me having -2 old shoes. Let's take a video game for example, and we will see how we use positive and negative numbers there. Amongst a few video games, I play Prodigy Arena. In this game, you do battles against wizards, and when you do well, you start to get awarded with points. You can be plus 10, or plus 20, or plus 1,000. But with these awarded points, your score keeps going up, which is always on the positive side. Also, at the same time, if you keep making mistakes, you may also lose points, such as -10, -20, or -1,000, which may lead you to a negative score. And that would be an example of a negative number. We can also talk about weather as an example of positive and negative numbers. If you live in Texas, you may have plus 100 degree days in the summer. But if you live in Minnesota, you may end up having -40 degrees in the winter. We can also use our weather as an example of positive and negative numbers. So now, let's see the rules of positive and negative numbers. In multiplication and division, the rules are: the result of a positive and negative number is negative. The result of two positive numbers is positive. The result of two negative numbers is negative. The sum of a positive number and a negative number is the difference between two numbers. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more educational and entertaining videos.